Hello everyone, welcome to Maker Monday. We're going to learn quite a few things tonight. Let's get into it.
Hello and welcome back to another Maker Monday here at the Jessamine County Public Library. Today we're going to be making this wood and metal flag. So to start out, I have this American flag, which is all vector, and I can go ahead and turn off the fill color and change the outline width to hairline. Again, hairline is going to be what tells it to cut. Then on the flag itself, I'm going to remove what used to be the white background, and that is going to become the bamboo sheet. Then I'm going to take each one of these individual stripes and drag them to then intersect with the border of the stars. Since I want the border for the stars to also be the same for the striping, I'm going to use the spatial segment delete tool to go in between each of these lines and delete the overlapping lines. And now you can see we have one solid shape. So now I'm going to set these to the width that I want. I'm going to do the same thing for the bamboo sheet as well. Now we are ready to go ahead and send this file over to the laser cutter. Alright, so I have the file loaded up on the laser cutter computer now. If you recall, we had two separate files actually on this document. So I've moved the metal file off to the side. Now we just have the wood one in our work area. So I'm going to show you the preferences real fast as well. That way you can get an idea as to the settings I'm using. Again, we have the 40-watt laser, but so we're running the vector only job at a 2100/500. So I'll go ahead and send that off and we will get started. So I now have the silver sheet loaded up. So going over here to the PC, we're looking at a 7050/2500. Again, vector job. So I'll send that one over, and just like before, I've swapped out the wood file with the metal file. Alright, so what I've done now is I have taken the silver sheet and laid it on the bamboo, and I've taped down the center where I want everything aligned, so then I can just use that center as pretty much a hinge. So then it's just a matter of peeling off the backing, which is easier than it sounds. There we go. I'm going to rip it close to that close to the hinge, and then just lay it in place. I'm going to go back through and do the same thing on the other side. And then just continue that across. Just like so. And I'm going to do that for each one of these. And just like that, we are finished.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creative space.